Welcome to India, a land of contrasts, colors, and chaos. But let me tell you, India is not for beginners. If you're planning to visit, there are a few things you need to know. First up, the cultural diversity. India is home to over 2,000 distinct ethnic groups and more than 1,600 languages. Each state feels like a different country with its own traditions, cuisine, and way of life. It's beautiful, but it can be overwhelming for first-timers. Cities like Delhi, Mumbai, and Kolkata are always on the move. The noise, the traffic, and the sheer number of people can be a sensory overload. But amidst the chaos, there's a rhythm and energy that's uniquely Indian, and then there's the food. Indian cuisine is a feast for the senses, but it's not for the faint-hearted. The spices, the flavors, and the variety can be a culinary adventure. Just remember, not all dishes are mild, so be prepared for some heat, tips, and adventures. India is also a spiritual haven. From the Ghats of Varanasi to the temples of Tamil Nadu, spirituality is woven into the fabric of everyday life. Whether you're seeking enlightenment or just a moment of peace, India offers a profound spiritual experience. But perhaps the most important thing to know is to expect the unexpected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures.